So, day 2, and we are down at the Brooklyn Bridge, as you can see. I think that. And we're just chilling. Really exhausted because I went back to the festival for day 2, and you can see I'm hot and sweaty, but then I'm cold now because we're down near the water. So I'm out here now with my friends and their kids. There's about
when the Indians was when they was taking
6 of them.
Manhattan.
So let's just say we're having a little bit of fun.
Then why are they building it? Why are they building it?
She's like, I'm coming in here. Look at her. Oh, yes.
It was. They
See?
What's in there? What is in there?
So, guys, I'm freezing. Thank God I got a towel. This weather, yes it is. I'm freezing. Yeah, because you have a jacket on. You want to give, I was going to say give me a jacket, but I'm a big girl. That ain't gonna fit me. But, oh my God, I'm exhausted. These people out here swinging. So, yeah. Ooh, give me some. So, with that said, I hope you guys head over to the blog because, yeah, guys, ain't nothing worse than being on camera with some dry ass lips. And I'm tired, y'all. Tired. But these kids are out here having a good time. I see. Go ahead, swing. You having fun? My kids from another mother and a father, because you know I'm not a mother, so these kids go home after I'm done with them. So you know you guys should be able to sleep good tonight, right? Right? Y'all gonna sleep good tonight, right? No? I said you guys should be able to sleep good tonight. They better? Oh man.
Mommy, your butt's so big.
Guys. Yeah. I'm not talking to myself. Well, technically I am, but the look I just got, like, what the heck I'm doing. Anyway, guys. Let's see how long I can last before I gotta go. I'm old. Sandra. Look at these grown ass women on these swings.
Donna, you can't put yourself in no higher. Can't you put yourself in?
Go ahead. face. Look at her face. Go ahead. Okay, show them how it's done. All right now. Just so you guys know, if you guys fall off, I'm gonna laugh, but I will help you.